Hi friends, this is Jagjit. I am back with my weekly video on words to live by, and wanted to share something which has been playing on my mind for a very long time, and I thought I should share it with you. In December 2019, sometime towards the end of December, this coronavirus was detected in China, and slowly it has impacted the whole world. As of now, more than 23 lakhs people have been impacted by this virus, and 1,60,000 people have lost their lives. इंडिया में भी ये सब लॉकडाउन एंड स्टेइंग एट होम एंड सब कुछ करने के बावजूद भी आज भी 15,000 से ज़्यादा लोगों को ये वायरस हो चुका है एंड 500 से ज़्यादा लोग अपनी जान गंवा चुके हैं. हम सब चाहते हैं that this should end. But why is it not happening? I'm asking you this question. Why is it not happening? Do you think people are not making effort to find a cure for it? They are. But still it's not happening. The reason is we are all the time thinking only about virus, and that is what are we sending focus to. Where the focus goes, energy flows. Collectively, we are thinking only about virus all the time. हम प्रे करते हैं, थोड़ी देर के लिए करते हैं, बट मैक्सिमम टाइम अगर आप देखें तो पीपल आर ओनली टॉकिंग अबाउट वायरस. आप न्यूज़ चैनल को खोलेंगे तो क्या सुनाई देता है? वायरस वायरस वायरस. यहाँ इतने मर गए, वहाँ ये हो गया, यहाँ ये हो गया, यहाँ लॉकडाउन है, वहाँ पर सील कर दिया. यही तो हो रहा है ना न्यूज़पेपर्स में, सॉरी न्यूज़ चैनल्स में. और सोशल मीडिया में क्या हो रहा है? व्हाट्सएप पे भी ऐसे ही मैसेजेस आ रहे हैं, सब कुछ रिलेटेड टू कोरोना, हाउ टू फाइट, हाउ टू स्टे पॉजिटिव एंड ऑल दैट. बट द बेसिक थिंग ऑलवेज इज टॉकिंग अबाउट कोरोना वायरस. सो द लॉ ऑफ अट्रैक्शन सेज, जिस थॉट को आप परसिस्टेंटली सोचते हैं वो थॉट आपकी लाइफ में मैनिफेस्ट होता है. Because our thoughts are like vibrations. They create vibrations in the universe, and they are magnetic frequency. So when the thoughts are sent in the universe, they attract similar frequency things, and they are manifested in our lives. अगर हम collectively well-being, immunity, and health of people start thinking about all that, and send that collective vibration in the universe, it will definitely manifest, and people will start feeling healthier and things will start improving. But हम तो सोच ही नहीं रहे हैं, and it's not that we don't want to, because we don't know about it. How many of you have seen or read this book, The Secret, or seen this movie? It very clearly talks about the law of attraction, which is a universal law. It's like law of gravity, which is common to all, and it applies to each and every person. Like your virus, सबको हुआ ना, चाहे कोई रिच है चाहे कोई पुअर है, छोटा है बड़ा है, सबको हो रहा है ना वायरस. किसी को नहीं छोड़ रहा है, सब पे अप्लाई हो रहा है. Similarly, law of attraction applies to everyone. So my invitation is, please send collective vibrations of human well-being to the universe, so that gets manifested in our lives. In the law of attraction, there are 3 steps to manifest things in our life. One is ask. हम मांग रहे हैं कि ये भाग जाए, लोग गाना गा रहे हैं, कोरोना भाग जा, कोरोना भाग जा. बट कोरोना भाग जा नहीं बोलना है, हमें पॉजिटिव थिंग्स बोलनी है. well-being for people and immunity for people. And the second point is believe. अगर हम इस चीज़ पे विश्वास करेंगे कि हाँ ये हो रहा है, देन इट विल स्टार्ट हैपनिंग इन लाइफ. बिलीफ की बहुत ज़्यादा अहमियत होती है हमारी लाइफ में. कितने लोग हैं जो ये मानते हैं कि बिल्ली रास्ता काट जाए तो बुरा होता है, और उनके साथ होता है कि नहीं होता है, बिकॉज दे बिलीव इन दैट. सो व्हेन यू स्टार्ट बिलीविंग that the kind of vibrations, collective vibrations we are sending in the universe, it is going to happen, and it is happening right now in the present. The universe will attract, move people and the environment to create that and to manifest that in our lives. And the third thing is to receive it. So don't doubt that this is not going to happen. Believe. Just believe it is happening and it will happen. So my request to all of you is, please, please, please shift your thoughts to positivity. Shift your thought to the human race having a healthier and longer life, well-being for all, and it will start manifesting. And please share this video with as many people as you can, so that we send collective vibration of well-being for human race. Thank you, and I'll catch you next week.